Good morning and welcome back to Medina County, Texas GMRS. I'm not in Medina County today. I'm in the big city of McAllen, Texas, down near the border, fixing to go to work. Just wanted to do a quick video reminding everybody we are nearing the 500 subscriber mark. And when we hit 500, we will be giving away the TID Radio Bluetooth Programmer 2.0 and the Retevis Simplex Repeater Module. So tell your friends, tell your family to go over and subscribe to my channel so we can get y'all some cool prizes out in the mail. Hidden behind this G Pro right here is the unreleased TID radio that I've been testing. More to come on that. Got my coffee over here, no orange cup today. Just wanted to remind everybody to join, and thanks for all the comments on the last video with my emergency backup equipment failures. That was a fun video to do. I hope y'all enjoyed it as much as I did. Subscribe to the channel, watch the rest of my videos, and leave your comments because I love hearing from each and every one of you. Y'all have a great day. Thanks for all your support, and we'll see you on the next one.